Hello guys, how to fix if Bluetooth not connecting on your iPhone? Bluetooth connection failed to establish on your iPhone. First workaround is go to settings, tap on Bluetooth and first disable Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth and after that restart your system, restart your iPhone, power off your iPhone and after that reboot, after restarting your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth option and check whether your iPhone connecting Bluetooth or not. If not, disconnect your Bluetooth devices. Any of your Bluetooth devices which is not working, simple tap on forget this device and this device will removed from your Bluetooth page and again turn off and turn on your Bluetooth option and again try to connect your device with Bluetooth. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to settings of your page, tap on general settings and update your software update, iOS update. If any update available, simply download and install on your system. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of Bluetooth not connecting with your iPhone. So update your software.